Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chandan Prasad and you're watching The Absolute Rider. Hope everyone is doing fine. And if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So guys, today's video will be very special because I'm going to unbox the Steelbird's new helmet, which is the hands-free helmet recently launched in the market. So the helmet is this. I had ordered for one of my relatives. It's not for me, but I thought of unboxing and providing you some information about this. So let's unbox this, guys. So let's start. So guys, this helmet's name is Steelbird SBA-1 HF. The HF stands for full form of hands-free. So this is the first helmet launched for this price point in India by Steelbird.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
So guys, now you saw the look of this helmet. I actually like the design. It's a bit different from the previous SBA-1. I mean, the lines over the helmet are really nice and sharp. So right now let's start talking about this feature. The main feature of this helmet is the hands-free system, which is installed over here, but let us talk about it later. First, let us talk about the shell quality and the cushion quality of this helmet. The cushion quality is being improved compared to the previous one, and the shell quality also. And this helmet comes only in black, plain white and plain red. You don't have any graphic design choices, so you have to buy either one of them. So I have ordered a plain visor so that it won't be difficult during the night time. So this is very sturdy, as you can see here. The cushioning quality is really nice, and in the helmet strap you get one piece of aux cable. So let's come to the main point right now. So you have to connect this aux cable over here. They have given the jack over there, and the other end you have to connect it to your phone and you can play some music. So let's try it once. Let me connect to my phone and let me play some music. So right now the music has started, and I will make you hear the sound of it. I think you can hear to the music. I don't know whether my camera is able to record it because I don't use the microphone for my camera or the Rode mic. So this is the music quality of this helmet. It's actually very loud, and if you receive a call and if you get a call, there is a button over here. If you press that button, then your music gets stopped. Press it once again and the music starts again. And when you get a call, then you just need to click this button to receive the call, and you can see the speaker is installed over here and one more over here. The mic is also installed in this helmet, but it's not visible. The another main quality of this helmet is waterproof. Some people might think that it might get damaged due to rain, but it's nothing like that. You can check some other videos, but today I won't be able to do the water test because I don't have water anywhere around me. System is really very helpful. So according to me, this helmet is worth buying for the middle class people. For the upper class people, they have so many helmets with the Bluetooth devices inbuilt. So for the middle class people, this helmet is the best, and while riding, their convenience level will be very high. So talking about this price, it just costed me around 2,450 rupees, which is actually worth. You won't get any helmet within this price point which has the hand-free system or the connect system. Riding the bike in the rain, or when you're stuck in the traffic, then you can easily connect the helmet to your phone and enjoy the song or enjoy the conversation between the person you're talking to on the go. Hope you got some information about the helmet. When you are planning to buy, then please check out my video once and then go for it. And talking about this price, this is 2,450 rupees. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you, take care, bye bye guys, see you in the next video.